It is the moment of truth. いただきます。
Oh my gosh.
Lego, I don't think so.
Good morning, welcome to today's vlog. I am absolutely shocked by the news I read last night. Last night I was reading news lying on my bed, and apparently a Malaysian TikToker found out that eating coconut sashimi style is actually delicious, and it's a great alternative to sashimi. And I'm like,
Come on, like,
If coconut sashimi is really that good, why would people still eat fish sashimi?
so I'm very skeptical about this, but as a Japanese, I feel like I have to try it. So let's go to the supermarket, buy some coconut. Okay, welcome to Suntec City. I came to Giant to find some cheap coconuts. Alright, so Giant is one of the cheapest supermarkets in Singapore, and I love coming here because it's so huge. Lots of nice food, lots of cheap food. And I think I found it. It's the coconut. The price is $2.75 for this one. And this one, oh, it's slightly more expensive, $3.95. Find the biggest one. So I also want to buy some sashimi to kind of compare it with the coconut sashimi. Check these out. The variety is pretty wide, but I'm not sure. I just try to avoid sashimi and sushi at local supermarkets. Yeah, I'll probably get it at Donkey. Alright, we're here. Donkey. And these are all the sashimis. Looks so good. I'm literally drooling all over right now. Okay, I just got home. I'm super stoked for my coconut sashimi, but instead of jumping right into the review, it will be more fun if I try it with my wife, right?
How was your day? Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so guess what I'm doing today?
Oh, is it dipping the fish into the coconut water?
No, but that sounds like an interesting video.
Can you do like this?
Ayo!
How to cut?
Right.
Maybe? Okay, I try.
Oh, it's actually pretty soft. Oh, I think it's open. Oh yeah, oh, it's open. Wow, this is so satisfying. Ah! You see that? Oh, but it's so sweet. So we're gonna carve out the inside, make it into kind of like a sashimi. Wow, it's so nice. I wanna try to shape it like a sashimi. Wow, it's so soft inside. Oh, Ken, right? Ken! It looks like very fatty fish, right?
Engawa.
Some kind of fatty fish, right? Engawa. Oh my gosh. I am shocked. It really looks like sashimi, right?
Ika, yeah, it looks like shrimp. Not shrimp, ika is what? Squares. Sotong.
It really looks like sotong, and no, it looks like a really, especially this piece, a really fatty white fish.
Like the cat,
The catfish. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Okay, I'm kind of scared of the comments because this is borderline disrespectful for the food, right? I don't know, is it in Singapore? Because if I did this video in Japan, people will bash me. People will say, don't play with food.
Isn't plain man. You are going to eat what?
I will eat, yes. So yeah, so please don't bash me, my Japanese viewers.
Okay, before digging into this, I think we should compare it, with the real fish, right? So I got the sashimi set. This is 1980. Okay, I'll try that. Oh, look at this. This is the fattiest part of the tuna. This is otoro. いただきます。It's so good. Can you try?
Okay, ready, go.
How, nice, right?
Wow! Oh my god, it's the best otoro I've ever had.
Are you serious?
I ate.
No
I
lie.
ate tsukiji.
It
Wasn't
can't
that
be.
nice?
You say it's better than tsukiji.
Yeah, it's so fatty.
Ayo.
This one is the red snapper. Salmon. That's nice. Alright, it's time for the coconut sashimi. I am very scared, but I must say it looks like real sashimi, right? Wow, check it out. Whoa. It really looks like some kind of fish sashimi, right? Just a bit. Wow.
It looks like fish.
It looks like fish. Ayo. It looks like fish.
Yeah.
But the taste, I'm not sure. I'm very skeptical. It is the moment of truth. いただきます。Oh my gosh.
What? Let go. I don't think so.
I cannot believe it, but it really tastes like sushi.
Wait, a fountain, how much? A fountain.
No. It tastes like otoro.
Tastes like a sashimi. And the texture is very soft, smooth. It's a very elegant fish. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe what I'm eating. Okay, I need to try it again. Wow! Dip it. いただきます。Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I know the trick.
What?
You need to put a bit of the soy sauce. You have to put more than usual because the soy sauce kind of masks the coconut taste. So it kind of really tastes like fish because of the texture. It's very smooth. It's really fish-like, and it's expensive fish. You want to try it?
Yes.
Yeah, try it.
Okay, dip it. Yeah, you get the big one. Dip it.
Wasabi leh. Need to
Yeah.
put. Okay, I put a lot, you see.
Okay, try
Okay,
it.
I eat. Oh my god, yeah.
Walao!
It's like ika/fish. It's crispy. Yeah, and it has this milky taste, right? Oh, eat more. Oh, it's nice.
How? This is shocking. This is an invention. It's an invention we Japanese couldn't come up with.
Who invented this?
I think it's a Malaysian TikToker. She said she used to eat like this since a long time ago because fish is expensive, right? Ayo, my Japanese viewers have to try this too. Cheaper! 250! 270!
With a lot of fish. Yeah. We should do like a blind test.
革命ですよこれ. Wow, go see, my wife's finishing. Ayo, this is even better than some of the fish sashimi.
Yeah.
For
It's
sure.
The fresh crust is crunchy.
Yeah, it's crunchy. It got that texture. It's milky. It's sweet. Hello. We're gonna finish this. Yeah, give us.
Oh, very nice.
The texture is just so nice. I am shocked. I am speechless.
Okay, now you do blind test. You try this one and this one.
You ready?
Okay, ready. Oh, so scary.
Okay.
Ah.
Come nearer.
Ah. Okay. Ah. Okay. To be honest, it's quite obvious. The first one was the coconut. But because of the texture, it's so different, right?
Yeah.
The taste is really like sashimi-like. Okay, wifey, this is your kaisen don. And now you're gonna put some better fish on your kaisen don.
Yeah.
Okay, try. Wait, instead, how about you try it without the coconut first? Then later you try it and let me know the difference.
Yeah.
Go for it. How does it compare?
Sweet. Can taste sweetness.
Is it weird though?
No.
It's not weird.
I can tell there's coconut inside.
Well, this feels so weird, but nobody will guess this is coconut, right? It looks like, I don't know, ika.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. There is that sweetness, but you can't taste it. You can't taste the coconut.
Yeah.
So all you get is that great texture
Yeah.
from the coconut, that smooth, fatty texture.
The next day.
Okay, so mom, I have prepared super special fish for you.
Fish?
Yes, from Media. Very expensive fish, I tell you.
Fish ah?
Yeah.
Aiyo, my
You
favorite.
never probably tried this fish.
Really
Sashimi.
ah? What?
Very rare.
You go seaside and catch one?
Not me,
Not
Media.
you.
Alright, so we're gonna prepare that coconut sashimi. So I'm gonna take out some of the salmon and instead put the coconut sashimi, so it kind of really looks like sashimi. Gosh, this is not easy.
A few moments later. 2 hours later.
Want me to help you or not?
No, it's too dangerous. Wait, this part is hard.
Yeah. Poke like 3 holes like that. 1, 2, 3, like that.
Ah, there we go. Ayo, it's kind of hard. Ayo, this is the...
It's not the baby one, is it?
It's hard. It's the baby one.
Okay, not bad, huh?
It's my ika.
So pretty. Yeah, okay, not bad.
Alright, it's time to go. It looks like real sashimi, right?
Yes.
How does it look like? Alright, mom, I always wanted you to try this very special sashimi. Have you heard of yashinomi?
Yashinomi?
Yeah.
I don't know. I
No.
only know you know me only. Yashi also know me.
Yeah, Yashi also know you.
Who is Yashi? It's so surprising. I got another new friend.
Yashinomi is a very rare fish. It's my first time trying it in Singapore. I don't know, they had it in Malaysia. Very special. They live very deep
Is it?
below the sea.
Oh, you mean
So-
what this fish live
What?
right below the sea?
Yeah, so this is the salmon, right?
Oh, salmon.
And this is the Yashinomi.
Oh, this one is just
Yeah,
fish.
very white, right?
I thought it's flower.
Yeah, this is flour.
With wasabi ah? I don't eat wasabi.
No, you must put some wasabi.
I must put
Yeah, this one
wasabi.
you have to put.
Oh, but also look like coconut slice.
No lah, Rui coconut one. Ayo.
Oh, Yashinomi.
Okay. Very rare, your first time, right?
So it's a fish ah?
Fish.
Oh.
The deep fish.
Huh.
Okay.
My reaction, okay. My reaction ah?
Oh, very rare, right?
It totally tastes like coconut flesh, you know? Don't
Coconut.
taste like fish.
Who eat coconut lah?
Coconut flesh is exactly the
Really?
same. Yeah.
No lah.
Usually fish ah. Kan cakap.
Very rare
Nice.
fish. Nice? Rare fish.
Very rare one is deep from the sea one, is it?
I eat like coconut. I feel like
Usually fish ah, they are soft and sweet. But this one is crunchy.
That's why it's nice. This is special about Yashinomi, the crunch.
I think you brought me lah, scam lah. This coconut flesh lah. No, I'm not stupid. to
No
just
nah,
scam
I think
lah.
you heard me. I think you
No,
heard
no,
me
no.
chopping the coconut.
I never heard frankly speaking.
I feel like coconut.
Okay,
Also, 100% plus.
Okay,
GST
yeah, yeah.
service charge. So,
A Malaysian TikToker found out that eating coconut like this tastes like fish. That's
tastes
why.
like fish.
Yeah, but I think this one too hard lah. Like we tried the young coconut, right? Very
Soft
soft.
one.
This one not so
Yeah.
good
This
lah.
one is crunchy. This one is a bit
Yeah,
cold already.
but the soft one, right, is really like right.
Yeah. Soft one maybe tastes like fish.
Yeah, that's why. But this one, ayo. So
Oh, this one, that means you scan lah. You must go and get some knowledge first lah.
The wrong one lah. Thank you for taking part in this prank.
So you eat.
I will give you sashimi
Thanks.
later. This one good? This one not coconut, right?
This one then is 100% plus GST service charge sashimi.
For the great blessing of sea, you must thank your God of
Oh, thank you. Yes. Thank you for your enlightenment. Thank you. Yes.
Mom, do you know what Yashinomi means?
Yashinomi.
What does it mean? Yashinomi means coconut in Japanese.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's why I already told you the answer.
Not so nice lah. The Northland durian is always like that one ah. Then bad ah. Oh, so big oh.
Oh, mom Instagrammer already got.
Walao eh. Yeah. I think this is the first time I see such a huge, you know, apple pie and chicken pie. Wow, so big leh.
Happy birthday.
哇，生日
呀
快乐！
年年有今日，年年有今日，谢谢我的孩子。Good luck for everybody. Good luck for my family.
Which one's which?
This one is Thailand.
Thailand.
Thailand one.
This one?
This one I haven't tried. This one
Just
not
try
bad.
small one now.
Good.
Oh, good huh?
Creamy.
Creamy ah.
Creamy. Wow, so sticky. Wow.
Best sake.
Oh my god.
How much per pack?
You know mom style lah. Every time you say mom always very intelligent. Never gonna scam.
Let me guess. $5
For both?
for one.
For one you are right lah.
$5.
Now you clever.
Wow, no, so much better than the one I bought. I bought three for $50, right?
3 for 56
Well, Mom, you are incredible. You got this for $5.
Yes, $5.
I'm sure you discount, right? How much was the original price?
Original.
You discount, right? I'm sure you did.
Original. Original 15 lori lah.
15 dori and you discount to 5 dori. Aiyo.
Mom, that's too much lah. They have a life too lah. No wonder. This is not $5 taste, Mom. Why you like that? Why you so like
When
that?
like that, you ask the durian uncle lah, you know.
Yeah.
Because it's very nice to me. I walk past right, I just blink my eye to him. And then, then even as if 3 lori, he also sell to me.
Why? That is crazy.
Because my eye got black magic. So next time you want to buy 5 lori, right? You must bring your eye to him. You know or not? You bring your eye.
I think my blinking won't work because I'm not a beautiful woman like you.
You bring, then he will give you free. You know or not?
You know, I only managed to discount 1 dori last time.
Because you
1
bring,
dori. Mom,
What?
we shall try the Thailand one.
Thailand, this one, take.
Okay, this one how much? Okay, let me guess after trying. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, the seed is very big. I'm suspecting it's not a good durian.
Thailand is a good durian, but it's a Thailand durian.
Oh, it looks very sticky,
It's
yeah?
creamy also.
Can I try?
Creamy also. Same.
This is really good too.
Good too, yes.
This is the best Thailand durian I've ever
I
had.
don't buy bad durian.
No, wow, this is really good, Mom.
Look,
So it only included two, right? Okay, 4 dori.
I think it's, if I'm not wrong, it's 20 over lori, right?
20 over dori.
Yeah.
Just for this, huh?
Yeah, 20 over lori.
no wonder
But
so
of course,
good.
more a bit lah.
Okay,
20 over
but
lori.
how much did you pay? How much discount did you get?
5 lori lah.
You pay 5 dori only?
Yeah lah, that's 2 for 10 lori only. Aiya.
Mom, I think you are the master of discounting. We must film a video to document your secret technique of discounting. Wow.
I just tell you already, you just blink your eye, and then tonight he will ask you what time you free tonight.